This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
Food container sets. In this video, we are talking about a variety of the different airtight storage container sets that you can get. So whether it's these great BPA-free plastic container sets, glass ones, or these great canisters, there's a lot of options for kitchen storage. And you want to think a little bit about what you want to do with them before you purchase. These canisters make for great displays on your countertops. They're clear, which means that you can see what you've got and how much you've got of it, which means you can kind of keep a good running inventory, especially if you're doing baking. Because they come in a variety of sizes, so it's an easy way to store a lot of your main or primary ingredients that you use frequently. And they're also nice since they have these great airtight lids with a great little silicone seal. And just flipping that little lever or switch up or down either unlocks or locks it. So locked and unlocked, right? And they're easy to clean since they're plastic. Right? And they make a great, nice, sleek storage solution to have out on your countertop. These plastic container sets are a great storage solution for your pantry. The plastic on them is translucent, so it's not as pretty to have out on your countertop, but they come in such a wide range of sizes that they're a great solution for organizing your pantry, keeping your dry goods in nice airtight containers that will keep them from spoiling or absorbing moisture or odors. And they're also great because they can be put in the refrigerator and also the freezer. So you can use them for storing leftovers and for storing things long-term in your freezer. They come with these great locking lids, right, that have wonderful silicone seals on them. And they're usually made out of a nice BPA-free plastic. So they're great in that you can put the bottoms in the microwave and also the dishwasher. So this is a bit of a better view, but so you can see the lids have these nice silicone seals with those 4 little locks that are going to keep the lid in place and give you a nice airtight seal. And these lids, although yes, they're made of plastic just like the bottoms, because they have the silicone seal, you don't want to put them in the microwave, and you should probably wash them by hand. And that will keep them in good condition for longer and make sure you get the maximum usage out of these containers, right? They have a lot of great medium and large sizes for storing ingredients like flour, sugar, and other dried goods like pasta. They have some special options like these great ones that have the little flip tops and pour spouts for cereal. And they come in a great variety of small and medium sizes. They're fantastic if you're going to do things like meal prep. So these small containers, you can actually buy really big sets of just these if you're doing meal prep, and they're fantastic for packing breakfast, lunch, and dinners and having those ready to go for your week. Now, if you're going to use them to store a lot of leftovers and you're going to be doing reheating, I might say having at least a small set of these glass ones is a good idea. The plastic ones, although you can put them in the microwave, if you heat them up for really long periods of time, eventually you can start to damage that plastic. So having at least a small set of these glass ones will mean that you have bottoms that can go in the microwave safely, repeatedly. So these are fantastic for storing leftovers that I know I'm going to want to reheat in the dish. And having just a small set of them for a household is fantastic. It means I can save small portions for individual meals, or larger ones that say if I want to make enough dinner for 2 or 3 nights and just have one of these so I can put it in the microwave and reheat it and have a simple, easy dinner really quickly. The lids are very similar in terms of construction. They have the 4 locking flaps and those silicone seals. So while you can do things like put the bottoms in the dishwasher and the microwave, I would again never put the lids in the microwave and always wash them by hand. And these can also go in the refrigerator or the freezer. So these are both great storage solutions for meal prep and saving leftovers, but the plastic ones make a fantastic solution for the pantry, and the canisters are super awesome to have out on your countertops on display. So that's just a little bit about the various storage and canister options available and which ones you might want to use for which jobs. And frankly, as you can see, I've got all 3 of them. They're all useful and they're all fantastic.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.